The business unit, Industrial Applications, is concerned mainly with air and water-cooled high-pressure compressors for compressing air and technical gases, such as helium, hydrogen and nitrogen. The comprehensive performance spectrum of LMF's compressors for industrial applications ranges from compressors for industrial gases to air compressors for applications in power plant construction, in breathing equipment and in the military field. These compressors are developed and built in accordance with international standards. LMF's compressor construction modules enable the optimal solution for every specific requirement, both technically and commercially. The LMF product portfolio includes both air-cooled and water-cooled compressors in the pressure range of 30 to 500 bar, with capacities ranging from 7 to 1,140 cubic meters per hour available. The compressors can be implemented with 2 to 6 stages, as well as 2 to 6 single-acting cylinders. Both fixed and mobile units can be driven, optionally, with either diesel or electric motors. The compressors also exist in lubricated and non-lubricated designs. The careful selection of materials and components forms the basis for reliable and economical operation, especially under challenging usage conditions, as LMF has already proven over decades in numerous successful customer applications. For your industrial compressor application, you can either select a standard compressor from our product portfolio or arrange for a specially modified version to be created for you. As a result, to date, there are more than 20,000 LMF compressors for industrial applications in use around the world, to the complete satisfaction of our customers.